Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn and manipulate data adapter. So, so we have a code of SQL connection and data table. So we already know about data table and how to retrieve data from the database. Now we are retrieving data using the data adapter. So we are first creating data adapter object, which is SQL data adapter DA using new SQL data adapter. We are also creating data set. So create data set object using dataset class that you also know. Now all the required things we have created. Now to fill the data into data adapter, we have to write DA dot select command is equal to command name, which is our CMD. So it will select the data from the database from this query. Now to fill the data set, fill method of data adapter is used. So write da.fill and write dataset name, which is our DS, and we are retrieving customer tables data. So we are making one table into dataset called cust. So currently dataset contains one table. Now we want to access the table. Now we want to copy this table into our data table. So write dt is equal to ds dot tables of 0, means our dataset contains only one table, so we are just passing 0 index, and set data source of grid view to dt. Now let's run the page. Let's click on the retrieve button on which we have coded this all thing. We can see, although we have not used the data reader, we have retrieved the data from the database using the data adapter class. So this is the use of data adapter and data set. Thank you.